What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. Wanted to bring you guys this video. So I'll put a link in the description for anybody that wants to go out to Adidas website and create their own I-5923. It's really easy to do, and they have a ton of different colors that you can play with. And you can adjust the vamp and the quarter, the stripes, the toe cap. I think one of my favorite parts is the fact that you can update the sockliner to whatever you want. All in all, I had fun designing a bunch of different designs on this website. And this is the one that I ended up sticking with. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the finished product of what they ended up sending in this box. So let's go ahead and take a look. First things first, they do have the dust bag, which I think is kind of cool. It's nice that they add a little bag in, and you can see the Adidas Originals branding right there. And here is the finished product. Inside the box, they also do have a spec sheet, which is actually really cool to be able to see. For some reason, I chose to go with a men's size 10 instead of 9.5, so they do actually fit me a little bit too big, but it's nothing that a thicker pair of socks can't fix. So this is the finished product. Leave some comments, let me know what you guys think. Obviously, my theme pattern was kind of off of a Tiffany sort of vibe with the hits of the silver, and then you have the bluish, green, turquoise type color, and then hits of black suede, as you could see on the back. Here's black suede, this is black suede, and then the toe guard is black suede as well. And then you have the Adidas logo on the shoe. I like that the three stripes is actually a metallic finish, and I think that's a nice touch. White boost midsole, and then black sole, and then I do have the branding right here, the I-5923, and also black branding on the back with the Adidas logo. That is my favorite part by far. I love that you can actually write the name, and like it just has the all over print on the bottom of the insole. It's really cool, and it adds like the full effect to the shoe in my opinion. So I love the fact that they actually have that. And this colorway I think is dope. I actually tweeted out a bunch of different designs for you guys, and this is the one that a lot of people came back with and said, do the Tiffany colorways. So that's what I ended up going with, and I'm definitely happy with my decision. And then when I put these on feet for that on feet section of this video, dude, I was like blown away. I thought they looked so clean on feet. And this is part of the reason why I like to create my own products, because you can't buy this one out of the box. Like, this one is perfectly themed, in my opinion, to what I was intending it to become, and it showed up in person exactly as I expected it, which is awesome. I think my Adidas has done a great job with select models, and obviously from the liner, it is getting better. Some of you guys may remember years ago, I actually ended up creating a very similar thing on my Adidas with the tubulars, and you can see I actually put my name on it, Hess Kicks, on the tongue. And I had the same sort of idea for the theming of the shoe, and it didn't have the option for the insoles back then. So I'm glad that they added the Tiffany branding on the inside of there. I thought it was definitely a nice touch. I wore these like once or twice. I haven't worn them a ton. I love the upper material. It's super, super nice on this one. But unfortunately, I just didn't really like the tubular midsole as much. So I sort of mimicked the same thing on the 5923s. But leave some comments. Let me know, what do you guys think about my design? And have you guys designed anything yourselves? Leave a comment. And actually, if you guys create your own designs, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter and let me know. Show me your guys' designs, or tag me on Instagram and let me see what designs you guys end up coming up with. I think it's fun to create your own stuff, like I mentioned, and so I'm really happy with the results on this one. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching. And again, if you guys are trying to design your own or buy a pair, check the link in the description. I will link the My Adidas version as well as the regular version in case you guys already like some of the ones that they already created. Thank you guys again for watching. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.